mga kachararat, and welcome again to my channel. Today we're going to do another unboxing, and today we have here the Xiaomi Mi portable electric air compressor. Alright, so I got this item via Lazada during their 9/9 sale. And guys, if you want to earn while shopping online with your favorite online stores, I suggest that you download yung application na Cashback. So every time you made an online purchases, you will earn rebate. So aside from the discount that I got during the 9/9 sale, I also got a rebate from Cashback. Alright, so for the link for the link, you can check that on the description below. Alright, so before we start, so this is again the Xiaomi Mi portable electric air compressor. And I got this during the 9/9 sale for 1,580. Currently, I checked the price online. It says it's around 1,500 or 1,580 up to 2,500 for the price of this item. Alright, so I just got this this afternoon. So if you can see, these are all in I think this is Chinese characters. So yeah, so it's still sealed. Alright. So let's start with the unboxing of this item. Anyway, I bought this item for my bicycle kasi matagal ko na siyang hindi nagagamit, and ayun, kasi flat siya and mahirap siyang dalhin sa vulcanizing shop or kung saan may pahanginan kasi malayo siya from sa village namin. Alright, so if actually one of the things that I've noticed for this item, ayan, so yung box niya may sira. Alright, but still it shows here naman na it was sealed pa din naman. So let's start with the unboxing of this portable air compressor. And hopefully guys, after this video, I can share you a clip of how this item works with dun sa aking bisikleta. Alright, so there you go. So let's check one by one. So let's check what we have here. Oops. Alright, so we have here yung, okay, so I think this is yung carrying case. Yeah. And okay, there's a compartment sa loob ng case. Ayan. So I think ito yung mga accessories niya. So naka-sealed din siya. So let's open the accessories. Okay, we have here the data or the charging cable. And we have here, okay, so yung pinaka-tip for the item. So I think this is for the tires. And this is for yung pin para sa bola or for the ball. And let's see what we have inside the box. Alright, so we have the actual unit. Mabigat-bigat din siya. Okay, so that's all that we have in the box. We also have here yung manual, but it's in Chinese character. So ayan, hindi ko rin siya maintindihan. Okay, but before I open this one, actually I also checked for other videos then to check on how this item works, since ayun nga, I just noticed that the box shows Chinese characters. Alright, so it's very obvious naman. It shows here how this, or kung saan ginagamit tong item na to. So we have here yung picture ng bicycle, a motorcycle or a scooter, car, and a ball. Alright. And I think it also shows here it works around 3 to 150 PSI. And it has a 2,000 milliamperes for its battery life. 14.8 I don't know what's that for, and I think this is the model. Alright, so that's all what we have here in the box. And this is the actual item. Alright. So I think this is the ventilation. So there's a ventilation on both sides. And this is for, oh yeah, for the charging cable. Alright, so to make the item work, or to turn it on, you just need to pull this up. There you go. And there's a built-in LED light for this one, so in case if you have any trouble, if you get a flat tire at night, so it will be easier for you to see, since it has a built-in flashlight. There you go. So this is for the built-in flashlight, and this is for the preset. So that's for the bicycle, so that's around 45 psi. Then we have for the motorcycle or for scooter, that's around 2.4 bar. Then for car, it's 2.5. And for ball, it's 0.08. So that's a preset. So if you want to do it manually, I think you can just press this plus button or this minus button. So if you want to do it manually. So if you, let's try to check if this one is working, since again this is the first time that I opened this one, so I haven't tried if this item works. So if not, then I need to send it back to the seller for replacement. But I hope it's not, kasi nakaka-stress din yung mag-soli ng item especially for defective items. That's one of the problem that most online buyers encountered pag nag-shop sila online. So buti naman hindi pa naman ako nakaka-encounter ng mga ganong klaseng issue. So let's try to do or to check if this item works. So try natin yun sa preset na sa bola. So I think this one, you just need to click at the center part of this buttons here, so to make it work. So let's try. So maingay siya. So yun yung tunog niya. So I hope you find something interesting, or I was able to answer some of your questions in mind if you're planning to buy this item. So tanggalin na rin natin itong mga plastic na dito. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments or suggestions or any requests that you want me to try for this channel, just put it on the comment section, and let's see if I can do it for you guys. Alright, so again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, thank you for watching, and I'll try to put a short clip of how this item works for my bicycle. Alright, so thank you for watching, guys, and you enjoy the rest of the day. Bye! Alright, so this is an old bicycle na na-stock na siya for a long time. So nakita nyo naman flat. So we'll try to use this item here if it really works. And so marami siyang dumi. But let's see if this item can, or if this item will work for this one. So we'll do the preset for bicycle. So that's at 45 psi.